Chepstow Castle is the oldest surviving post-Roman stone fortification in Britain. William FitzOsbern began construction in 1067. Unlike other early Norman fortifications that were built from earth and timber, Chepstow Castle was built in stone from the start. The castle was built on the narrow limestone ridge above the River Wye. FitzOsbern used the natural landscape as a strategic defensive feature, making this castle a medieval architectural masterpiece. The original Great Tower was constructed from stone and tiles taken from the nearby old Roman ruins at Perched. The castle walls and gatehouse were constructed from limestone, quarried from the cliffs it was built on. Further additions over the centuries were made from sandstone, bonded with lime and mud excavated from the build. Chepstow Castle represents incredible historic architecture that can be seen along its 4 levels. From Norman fortification to Tudor flair and Civil War battlements, making for an evolutionary masterpiece. All the oak used in the castle came from the Forest of Dean, including the gatehouse doors. Dendrochronology has dated the oak to 1159, making them the oldest castle doors in Europe. Legendary knight William Marshal expanded the castle further to demonstrate his power and wealth. One of the most significant aspects of the castle is Martin's Tower. The tower was used to incarcerate Henry Martin, who spent 20 years in prison for signing King Charles I's death warrant. Chepstow Castle is in the care of the Cadw, the Welsh Historic Environment Services. This castle is open to visitors and holds special events to promote the rich heritage of Wales.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough,